what is the efficiency of a perfect engine that produces no waste heat? So we saw on the key concept slide that we've been using this letter E to represent efficiency. The definition of efficiency for a heat engine is that it is equal to the output work divided by the heat input coming from the hot temperature, which in other diagrams, I think we've used different subscripts. Like sometimes I've said Q sub H for the heat coming from the hot temperature, but I'm just going to say Q in here to be a little bit more descriptive. In terms of the picture that we have in this slide, that of course is this Q right here. And if there is no waste heat, as is shown for this perfect engine, that means Q would have to be equal to W. There's no other place for energy to go. And in our models, we're kind of making a tacit assumption that the perfect engine is not going to store any of that energy. What goes in must go out somewhere. And if there's no waste heat, that means W is equal to Q, which means W divided by Q would be equal to, in this case, you could say as a number, this would just be equal to 1. Typically, though, an efficiency might be expressed as a percentage, and the number 1 is equal to 100%. So that makes this a 100% efficient engine, which we're going to show is not actually possible in reality.